Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana pa'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. So Capricorn, paunang mensahe ninyo ay Eagle. Sabi dito, you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. So this is really beautiful kasi meron na kayong may clarity of thought na kayo, and maybe alam na ninyo exactly kung saang path kayo pupunta, no? Parang sigurado na kayo, parang nakikinitan nyo na kung aling path ang pupuntahan ninyo at alam nyo na kung ano ang gagawin ninyo, no? So that's really beautiful. We have birth. Ayan, so maybe there is a birth of a baby. Diba? Maaring magwa-welcome kayo dito ng baby sa pamilya. Maybe kayo yung mga anak. Kung hindi man, baka yung person ninyo. Kung hindi man, baka kamag-anak ninyo, kaibigan, someone close to you, maaring welcoming a baby, no? So, congrats to that. For others of you, kung wala naman kayo sa mga ganong sitwasyon, baka yung birth na to is you giving birth to a new business, a business venture. You're giving birth to a new enterprise, maaring ganun, or there could be opportunities and possibilities, no, na tawag dito na dadating sa buhay ninyo. So what else? We have mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain cautious. Ayan, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay? Wala kayong dapat nakatakutan, wala kayong dapat na ipag-alala kasi the universe is giving you a heads up na you are protected, no? Kahit anumang klaseng challenges, obstacles man, or any difficult situation na ma-encounter ninyo, you have nothing to fear dahil protected kayo. Divinely protected kayo. We have co-create. Ayan, so there could be collaborations dito na magaganap, no, sa mga ginagawa ninyo or sa mga gagawin ninyo, or possible na merong mag-offer sa inyo ng partnership, ng help, yung ganon. So what else? We have come to the edge. Ayan, so parang full energy ito, no, na you are starting fresh sa buhay ninyo. You're starting new. You're embracing new opportunities. You're embracing new situation, fresh start sa buhay ninyo, no? So it could be anything. It could be a new relationship, it could be a new job, it could be a new business, it could be anything, no? So what else? We have not for you. Ayan, so maaaring meron sitwasyon dito na hindi nag-come to fruition. Maaring you work so hard for this pero hindi nangyari siguro yung ini-expect niyo. Maybe hindi dumating ang ini-expect niyo. Maybe hindi nangyari yung kung ano yung pinagtatrabahuan ninyo. So maaaring ganun. And simply because it's not for you. Hindi ba? There are some things na dinideny sa atin ng universe, no? There are some things na ginusto natin pero hindi sa atin binibigay. It's simply because it's not meant for you. It's not for your highest good, 'di ba? Kaya wag kang malungkot, no? Wag kang malungkot, wag kang magtampo sa universe because for sure, 'di ba? Yung lahat ng ginagawa niya para sa atin ay kung anong makakabuti para sa atin. Kung ano ang best para sa atin. And these things, you're being denied of that dahil meron siyang ginagawa something better, no? Way better than what you are expecting, way better than kung ano man yun sana yung gusto ninyong mangyari. Okay? So tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. So we have 8 of Wands. Ayan. So yung 8 of Wands is a fast moving energy. So may mga bagay-bagay kayong gagawin dito na mabilisan ang ganap, mabilisan ng mga pangyayari, no? Kaya kailangang handa kayo. You should be physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually fit and ready so that kung ano man ang mangyari dito, ano man ang mga opportunities na dumating, ready kayo, no? And this is also a travel energy. So, maaring ang iba sa inyo dito babiyahe, maaring international travel yan, no? There are also good news coming your way, no? Maaring good news yan about sa mga in-applyan ninyong trabaho, in-applyan ninyong mga siguro pag-abroad, or mga papeles, no? May hinihintay kayo. So, this is the time that posibleng makuha nyo na yan, dumating na kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay. We have the Tower energy. Ayan, Tower is ending and beginning energy. This is a sudden change coming your way. At ang mga pagbabagong ito, hindi ninyo ito pinagplanuhan, hindi ninyo ito in-expect, pero that will happen because it has to happen. Parang divine timing has come. By hook or by crook, it has to unfold sa buhay ninyo. Okay? This is the divine universe intervening in your circumstances. Okay? Kaya hindi ninyo ito mapaghandaan. May gulat factor ito. There is a surprise element in this energy. Kaya maaaring sa una baka ma-overwhelm kayo. No? Ma-overwhelm kayo, mabibigla kayo. Pero kung saan man kayo dadalhin ng pagbabagong ito, this is where you will be in alignment with your destiny. No? Kaya at the end of the day, kapag nakapag-settle na kayo, sa kung saan man kayo dadalhin ng event na to, ipagpapasalamat nyo yan, no? Baka masabi ninyo na sana pala noon pa to nangyari, di ba? Kasi that is where you will be happy, you will be contented, you will be fulfilled. Kaya sobrang ma-appreciate ninyo yung pangyayaring yan. So, we have 6 of Cups. Ayan, there is travel energy dito. Kasi ang iba sa inyo is coming home. No? You're coming home to your parents. You're coming home to your kids. No? To your husband, to your partner. Yung ganun. So, definitely, some of you are going to travel talaga. May reunion dito, no? There could be a reunion, family reunion, or reunion ng magkakaibigan. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. At merong posibleng ang uwi ninyo is for a visit, or posibleng uwi ninyo for a specific reason, no? Na baka meron kayong lalakaring mga papeles, meron kayong mga personal affairs na kailangang lakarin, or family affairs na kailangang nandoon kayo, something like that, no? But definitely, there is reunion dito, okay? Speaking of coming home, dito din, maaaring merong magbabalik, no, sa buhay ninyo. Maaring meron ditong ma-meet uli kayo na tao. That could be ex ninyo, ex-asawa, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, or ex na kaibigan. You know, at mag-encounter kayong muli at maaring mag-try sila na bumalik sa buhay ninyo. Something like that. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.